Now, how you can turn $0.5 clicks into $3 clicks with Google pay-per-click ads and ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 going to 2026. Now, as you can see on my screen on my ClickBank, let me click over here so you can see, right, in the results in the current week, last week, previous week, right? This is one of the accounts on ClickBank promoting info products. Okay, so yes, we can promote neutral weight loss products, but there are also many info or information products such as ebooks in the dating space, manifestation niche, law attraction, self-help, right, hobby niches. So we have major three niches such as, for example, weight loss, wealth, and dating, right? Those are three huge niches. Now the most important thing is that you can promote products that doesn't have a high gravity on ClickBank. What do I mean by that? It means that they're not very popular, yet you can make a lot more money because, first of all, they're proven to work. They're hot offers in the same niches, but in the subcategories, right? In the health space, for example, the subcategory is diabetes niche. Another one is, for example, back pain niche. Another one is dental space, right? So you have many subcategories in each of those huge niches that you can go into and pull $300 to $500 or more per day as an affiliate. Okay, so let's go straight into it so you can see exactly how this works in action, right? As you can see over here today, you'll discover exactly the proven system that we are using to run ultra cheap clicks, meaning from $0.5 to $1 per click, and how we can get Google Ads for free. Why for free? Because if you make, let's say you spend $1 US dollars per click, or 0.5 US dollars per click, and get $2 or $3 or $4 back in 24 hours, you're basically covered, right? It's almost Google Ads for free. Now, let me show you how this works, right? Now, first of all, why Google pay-per-click ads? The reason why is because we are looking for buyers search with intent. We need buyers intent. If you want to make any kind of sales, not just ClickBank, but any kind of a local, traditional, a brick and mortar businesses, right? You need to have some kind of buyer's intent. And most of the gurus are teaching you outdated methods that used to work years ago. For example, let me show you. Look at this, right? Have you seen something like that recently on Facebook or YouTube ads when you were watching videos, or Google ads, right? This is ClickBank offer for weight loss. Now, what is wrong with this landing page that was built on ClickFunnels, right? Or Go High Level, I think ClickFunnels. The reason why this doesn't perform well, why you would be losing time and money running this offer, this product, is because it's curiosity driven, meaning people are only there to see what's on the other page. You see something weird, it's weird, ugly image. It doesn't make some sense, right? Show maybe belly fat loss, right? Weight loss, but it doesn't make sense, right? There's no buyer's intent. There is no structure in order to get conversions with your traffic, right? So you are sending clicks and it doesn't convert. You think it's scam, it doesn't work out. No, you are running it the wrong way, the outdated way. It doesn't work like that anymore, right? Maybe by some luck you can get a sale or two, but you cannot scale to thousands of dollars per week or days with ClickBank affiliate marketing doing this. What you actually need is, for example, buyer's intent. You need people who are in solution seeking state, or if they are not aware of their problem, you have to put them into the problem with your ad copy and your landing page. That's why it's called pre-sale page. We are not selling to people. No, we are pre-selling. We are only marketing. And the job of ClickBank video sales letter, or VSL, is to make a sale. Okay, so if you did your job right as an affiliate of pre-selling the offer, the ClickBank vendor is going to sell them with video sales letter or sales page. Okay, so you're the connector, professional connector as a super affiliate. All right, now let me show you this again. Why Google pay-per-click ads? It's stable traffic, is sustainable, buyers intent, less drama than Facebook or some other YouTube, for example, YouTube ads, and you don't have to build any kind of audience. You can start today or tomorrow with $50 US or $100 US, and spend 10 to 20 US dollars a day on Google Ads and start generating sales in 24 hours or 12 hours. Okay? Once you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step by step, how to do it, how psychology of ads work, why certain audiences need different language patterns, why they need different colors, why we are running morning ads and evening ads, you will understand deeper psychology of marketing and this affiliate game. All right, very important. Now let me show math. Okay, let's say with profit multiplier here, right? Let's say that we are paying 0.5 US dollars per one click, meaning we are spending 500 US dollars for 1,000 clicks. Okay, now if you promote the good offer with great upsell take rate, you can make, you can see over here, 2,500 US dollars profit from spending only 500 US dollars, which is $3,000 in sales, but we spend 500 US dollars on Google pay-per-click ads. So your profit at the end of the day is, or at the end of the week, is 2,500 US dollars, right? Now how this works, you can see this is upsell flow funnel profit multiplier. As you can see on the front end, right, we have, let's say, $47 product, it's ebook, and usually on ClickBank you get paid 90% affiliate commissions. So your commission will be 42 US dollars. Then we have upsell 1, upsell 2, sometimes even downsell. And at the end of the day, when we pull the line, the average order value or total funnel value is over $300, which is $281 per sale. You can make even $500 or $1,000 per sale, but in this case, I would say it's great because you can make $280 from one customer buying entire upsell flow. Okay, so that's why you can be profitable once you have someone to show you the secrets, the deeper hidden secrets of this game of affiliate marketing with Google pay-per-click ads and ClickBank as a beginner, of course. Now, there are 4 steps to success. First is to get cheap pay-per-click clicks. Okay, meaning we need buyer's intent. That's why it's cheap, because once you know which keywords to target, then you will be able to finally have results. You will choose offer that scale, you can build a funnel that converts, and then you can automate and scale on autopilot to have sustainable income. Okay, sustainable every single day. That's the most important thing. So you can have stress-free, sustainable income earnings without having to worry that your ad account is going to get shut down or in the red color next morning or flagged, right? So if you do it compliantly, white hat, not black hat, we can have really sustainable results every single day. Now, why this works? What we do differently now in 2026 almost? Because we know psychology behind them. Okay, there is invisible funnel architecture. There is conversion, persona code that you can get once you work together one-on-one. You have emotional resonance blueprint and also loss aversion amplifier. Okay, so this amplifier helps you to basically set up your quiz funnels or advertorials or blog pages in a way that you can put person in the problem state and move them in the solution seeking state. Because you need the person to be first of all in problem state and then in the solution state for the sales and conversions to actually happen. We have male and female language patterns. So you cannot use the same language for males and females. That's another psychology of markets. You need to understand there are low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. Okay? So those are all instant purchases, meaning instant decisions. In that minute, someone is going to pull credit card and buy the ClickBank product, because those are like this instant decision that are made in the moment, right? So as a bonus also, when you work together one-on-one, you're getting profit activation deck, okay, a private framework one-on-one that can help you to run offers on ClickBank and generate really great profits. You get also persona decoder, which is actually quiz funnel to segment leads that you're getting by motivation and what kind of buyers type they are, male or female, of course. And then also traffic multiplier script, which is really important if you want to have the right buyers clicks, buyers intent, because the money is in the buyers list, in the buyers clicks. Very important thing. Okay, so we get it together done one-on-one over the Zoom call, as you can see over here. Now it's almost Christmas and it's still possible to install this method and duplicate these ads to start having, I don't know, $350, $500 days. It's still possible, but only if you're an action taker, if you actually want to get results, if you're not making excuses for yourself and actually want to see yourself having sustainable results in 2025, going in 2026 before everyone else. Okay, if you want to have results, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram, my phone number, yes, my WhatsApp, my email, and also my Facebook Messenger. Okay, so you can connect with me there one-on-one, but only if you're an action taker. If you're serious and actually want to install this system and this method and let it allow you to start having results. So all you have to do is connect with me, let me know, and we can make it happen.